The DA80 Rotary Drive consists of the control unit, the drive motor with flank-mounted 4-jaw chuck and additional weights. The 4-jaw chuck can be opened and closed via an adjusting ring, and it's used to hold a ceramic disc or other workpieces in the diameter range of 3 to 80 mm. The control unit, which is equipped with magnets, can be easily attached to the machine housing. The rotary unit itself can be inserted into the workpiece holder and roughly adjusted in X direction and clamped. The fine adjustment is made via the micrometer installed on the machine side. By the combination of the diamond wire sawing movement with simultaneous rotation of the workpiece, the finest grooves can be sawn into the workpiece and an excellent surface quality can be achieved. With this result, costly downstream polishing processes can be omitted.